welcome to Diamond Painting with Dee. My name is Dee, and I'm so glad that you joined me here today. I want to welcome you. If you're new, I want to say thank you for coming back if you've been here before. Last week, I started a Facebook page, a group for people who follow this channel, which is Diamond Painting with Dee. The link to the Facebook group is down below in the description box. I want to ask you to please like and share and click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new content. Today we're going to look at a couple of diamond paintings from Temu. As you know, if you've watched this channel for any amount of time, I do get most of my diamond painting kits from Temu. I like that they're wallet friendly and that you can get a lot of them for a very little bit of money. So let's get started. This first one, actually both of the ones we're going to look at today are partials. I do like my partials. I just like the way they sparkle. I like the way the irregular drills reflect the light differently. So that's what I'm drawn to. So this is a 30 by 30 partial. This has flowers and butterflies in little mason jars that say hope, love, faith. So when I saw this, they actually had a couple of different versions of the hope, love, faith on Temu. So if you don't particularly care for this one, you can go there and just type in the search box, and you'll have a few other ones to choose from besides this one. But of the ones they had to offer, this is the one that I liked the most. It doesn't have too many different types of drills, but sometimes the partials only have like 4 or 5. So this is more than that. So I think this is going to be nice once it's complete. It starts off with numbers 1 through 8, and then A through E in the letters. This comes with your basic diamond painting tray and plate of wax and diamond painting pen. And we can go ahead and take a look at the drills. So how was your week? Today we changed the clocks. I'm a little bit off because of that. How do you feel about changing the clocks? I actually like the daylight savings time. I know there's been some talk of keeping the clocks on standard time. I'd rather have the daylight savings time. I like it staying later at night, especially in the summertime when you're out doing activities. Having it be late is really nice, and I would like it to stay on daylight savings time all the time. So let's take a look at the drills. We have some clear crystals and a yellow and an orange. It's kind of a rusty orange there. A deep green, turquoise, a very light pink. That's a very, very faint yellow. And this is a tiny, just the lightest baby blue. We have some yellow marquee, some opalescent marquee, some pink, some yellow rounds, and some smaller yellow marquee. So I think that this diamond painting I will be pleased with once it's completed. It really says it all, though. Hope, love, faith. Those are words to live by in your life. So let me put this away, and we'll get out the second kit that we're going to take a look at today. Again, this one came from Temu. And this, if you've watched my channel before, you'll know that I do tend to get a lot of flowers and bees. And this is both of those things in here. This is a bee pollinating some flowers. And I have flowers that, I have bushes that attract the bees. There were little flowering bushes. Well, they're big bushes with little flowers on them that attract the bees. We really need to protect our bees and do everything we can to see them flourish. And this diamond painting is a reminder of that. It is a 30 by 30. And this one only has 8 different types of drills. As I was saying, a lot of times these partials don't have a large variety of types of drills. But even with a smaller amount of drills, and with the specials and the different sizes, they really stand out because they just reflect the light differently. So let's take a look at what came with this kit. You got your basic tray and plate of wax and diamond painting pen. And you have some silver drills and yellow drills and black. These are a lime green. These are some of my favorite, the ones that are faceted in a way that they resemble stars. And some pear shapes. And these are very elongated marquees. And then some regular shaped green marquee. Those elongated marquee are interesting to look at. And that's what I'm talking about. They go over here. How the different shapes really make a difference into how the finished product looks. And even though there may not be a lot of different colors for the drills, the shapes make a difference as far as the way the light reflects. And it picks up the light. So I really enjoy the partials because of that. So we'll put those away as well. So that is all that I have for you today. I hope you enjoy these diamond painting kits that we looked at today. Again, I hope that you will take the time to go onto Facebook and find our group and join our group so that you can show us, me and the others who are in the group, your work, and pass along your tips for doing diamond painting, what you enjoy, what you've picked up over the time you've been diamond painting. We're all here to learn from each other, and I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for joining me today. Click that notification bell, share and like this video, and I hope to see you again real soon. You have a blessed week. Bye-bye.